Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now? Park level, set the parking brake and chalk the opposite wheel so nothing shifts. Retrieve the wheel lock key and match its pattern to the lug. Align it exactly. This prevents stripping. Once aligned, position a breaker bar or impact wrench on the lock. Use steady, increasing pressure rather than jerks to break initial torque. If the nut moves a little, back off and reseat the key, because forcing a misaligned key will round the pattern and ruin removal. Once the lock resists, spray penetrating oil around the base and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes to break corrosion bonds. Next, try a torque extension or a cheater bar. Apply torque slowly, increasing leverage without sudden twists. If heat is used, warm the nut briefly with a heat gun. Avoid hot spots near tires or sensors. When the key is already rounded, switch to an extractor socket or a reverse thread drill bit. Drill center, tap with extractor. Then turn out the damaged lock. After removal, clean threads and install a standard lug or the original lock if intact. Torque each to the vehicle maker's specification using a calibrated torque wrench. Make sure wheel sits flush before final tightening. Uneven torque can warp the rotor. If extraction methods fail, or you risk hub or stud damage, stop and consult a professional technician rather than escalating damage. As a final habit, store the lock key with vehicle paper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.